This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the Mixitup bot. First, you'll need to download the application. Head over to the official Mixitup website and grab the latest version. Make sure your computer meets the system requirements, typically requiring Windows 10 or newer. Once downloaded, save the installer file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or Downloads folder. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process. Next, let's get it installed. Locate the installer file you just downloaded and double-click it to begin. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, accepting the terms and choosing an installation directory. You might be prompted to grant certain permissions. Ensure you allow them for full functionality. After installation, the bot will typically launch automatically, or you can find its shortcut on your desktop. This gets the core application running. Now, it's time to connect Mixitup to your streaming platform. Inside the bot, you'll see options to log in with your Twitch or YouTube account. Use your streaming credentials to authorize the connection. This step grants Mixitup permission to read your chat, send messages, and manage various channel functions. Once authorized, verify that the bot shows an active connection status, indicating it's ready to interact with your stream. Finally, let's set up some basic functionality. Head to the commands section to create custom chat commands, like !hello. You can also explore the Events tab to automate actions based on stream events, such as new followers or subscribers. After setting up a few, jump into your stream chat and test a command to ensure it works as expected. This allows you to personalize your stream's interactivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.